Your brain is biologically designed to keep you average, and it'll fight anything unfamiliar because unknown success costs more than comfortable failure. Yesterday, we saw why your brain resists dreams it hasn't yet experienced. It predicts first, then uses your emotions and thoughts to push you towards what feels the safest. If you want different results, don't force yourself. Train your brain to expect a different outcome. Your brain learns this the same way that it learns anything else. Repeated evidence that something is safe and that it works. Not affirmations, not motivation, and definitely not manifestation alone. The more times that your brain sees something work, the more it predicts success and the easier it becomes to do. Your brain doesn't just change from what you want. It changes from what it can predict with certainty. Instead of forcing big changes, give your brain tiny wins because this is what it actually can learn from. Small wins don't trigger resistance. They feel safe enough to keep repeating. Every single time that you follow through, you're teaching your brain. Every single time that you follow through, you're teaching your brain, hey, it's safe, this works, do it again. If you post one little video, your brain learns that, hey, this wasn't so scary. If you say hi to a coworker instead of hiding, your brain learns social interaction isn't dangerous. If you go for a walk instead of rotting all day, your brain eventually starts learning that, hey, I don't always need a screen to feel good. Think of it like training a dog. You don't keep screaming at it to obey. You reward it when it gets it right. Your brain works the same way. It will repeat what keeps getting rewarded. So stop trying to change everything all at once. Pick just one repeatable action. So post one piece of content, go for a little workout, or even just make one slightly better decision. Repeat it again and again until your brain just expects it, and resistance will naturally drop. What used to feel hard can feel automatic. That's how habits, both good and bad ones, form. Discipline isn't forcing yourself. It's what happens when your brain already predicts that you will follow through. Because we don't rise to our goals, we fall to our brain's predictions. In the next video, I'll show you the fastest way to upgrade this system so your brain updates faster without you burning out. Once your brain expects success, it'll start working for you instead of against you. I hope this helps. Catch you guys later.